everybody, it's Brian Melville here with the Melville team, and I just wanted to thank you for tuning in once again to this month's video blog, where I'm going to share with you all of the up-to-the-minute housing statistics for the Santa Clarita Valley over the last 30 days. As you know, I do like to have something up on the screen to tie into my sort of underlying theme, and I saw this posted on Instagram this morning, which was, don't wait to buy real estate, but rather buy real estate and wait. I'm going to give you a couple of examples of why that is so true for so many of us. But let's jump into these numbers like we always do, and then we'll talk about that a little more in detail. Inventory actually virtually unchanged over the last 60 days. We have 586 properties currently on the market. Our average days on market, right about 53 days to sell a home. Our median sale price did actually go up to $450,000. That's an increase of $3,900 in the last 60 days. The median sale price has gone up. That's right, I said up. Now, what has also gone up tremendously is the number of homes that are pending sale or in backup offer. We have 580 pending sales. A sure sign that this market with interest rates is being driven by the demand, the buyer demand and low interest rates right now. So more homes than ever under contract, and inventory remaining relatively unchanged means that supply and demand, prices firm up. We shall see what happens. 253 homes have sold in the last 30 days. 38% of those were under 400,000, 46 between 401 and 600,000. 11% of the homes were in the 6 to 8 range. 4% of our homes were 800 to 999, and of course the glorious 1%er, homes over $1 million. Only 1% of the homes sold in the entire valley were over $1 million. So things to consider depending on where your price point of your home lies or what you're even interested in. Tells me a few things that there might be some areas and room for negotiation if you're a home buyer. Number of sales by area over the last 30 days. Number 1, Valencia, 78 homes sold. Canyon Country, number 2 with 56. Saugus was in our number 3 spot at 49, followed by Newhall with 25, Castaic with 19, and Stevenson Ranch, 13 homes sold in the last 30 days. And we're sitting here currently at an absorption rate for the Santa Clarita Valley about 1.97 months. Those of you who follow this blog know that that just means the available homes, and how fast they're selling means we have about a 1.97 month supply of homes, which is still on paper reading like a seller's market. Now let's talk about interest rates. I was on the phone with my preferred lender this morning, Earl Everett at Great American Financial, just to kind of pick his brain a little bit about what he sees and what he might think be coming down the pipe. As it stands today, for a conventional and an FHA loan, interest rates are anywhere from the 3.5% up to about 4% range, which is historically amazing. It's a great time with the cost of money being so low. And that message meaning that if you are interested in buying now, you're able to buy much more home for a lot less money, versus if interest rates go up, and believe me, they will. They've been threatening us with this for some time. Eventually it is going to happen, and that feeling that we've all had of just, it's just going to be the same, don't worry about it, I'll always do it tomorrow, actually may prove to be the thing that will backfire on you, because now with a 1% or 1.25% improvement or increase in interest rate, you're now going to be, payment-wise, you're going to end up having to buy less house for even more money. So, as it says on my screen, don't wait to buy real estate and wait. It's a great investment. I just had a great statistic from a talk. I had the good fortune of seeing a guy speak at the RE/MAX convention. He shared with us that about 87% of young people between the age of 17 and 23 still believe that home ownership is part of the American dream, and that they still desire that. And that was a very encouraging thing. I think it is the greatest vehicle home ownership is to building true wealth. And by waiting, you're actually costing yourself valuable money and financial stability for your future. I've had clients that bought homes in 2012, and I'll share a great example. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single story with a view in a great neighborhood, a home built in the mid-90s for $280,000, now worth just about $450 in just 2 short years. That's an amazing improvement in that equity position for that owner, and they're thankful they bought. So don't wait too long. Jump into the real estate game if you certainly have the desire and the means, and me and my team, we're here to help you. If you have any questions, just get on our website, choosebrian.com. If you want to speak to me directly, 661-702-4711. I always say it, I'm going to continue to say it, the opportunities are everywhere if you just know where to look. And nowadays, more than ever, the right agent and the right team matters. Give us a call. Thanks for watching, and be well.